Hello everyone, today I will show you how to find a song if you don't know its name. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So what you want to do is you want to use the app called Shazam. So you want to go to the App Store and then search for Shazam. So basically when you open this app, you will be able to basically let the app hear the music that you want to know the name. So if you click on tap to Shazam, it will listen to the sound and it will be able to figure out the song that you want to find. But be mindful that the iPhone, it needs to be close to the sound. If it's too far away, then the iPhone will not capture the sound. And that is how you will be able to find the song if you don't know its name.